How to convert normal video to a green screen video in CapCut. If any day any of you are a CapCut user and you would like to convert your normal video to a green screen video in CapCut but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very CapCut application on your mobile device. You have to find the very CapCut application on your mobile device and then tap on it. After you tap on it, CapCut will be launched on your very mobile device. After CapCut is launched from your very mobile device, so what you have to do is you can select any of the picture or any of the videos that you like to edit on, or you can also edit on any of the past projects that you want. So for this, you have to tap on any of the projects, that is the past project or any of the video that you would like to edit on. After you tap on it like this, now it will be just opened on your very CapCut application. After it gets opened in the CapCut application, what you have to do is you have to tap on the video like this, and then you have to scroll like this. After you scroll like this, you can see the option of remove BZ. After you tap on remove BZ, now you can see the option like this. There is auto removable, custom removable, and chroma key. Since custom removable is a very feature, that is the pro feature, I tap on the option of auto removable. After tapping on auto removable, you have to wait for a while until the very background gets removed. After it gets removed, what you have to do is you have to go to the tick like option. You have to wait for a while until it gets removed very nicely, because it may take time if the video is long, and if it's short it takes a little lesser time. And if all of these happens, now what you have to do is you have to go to the next option, that is the option of background, and then tap on background. After tapping on background, now you have to go to the option of color here. After tapping on the option of color, since we would like to create a green screen video, we can tap on the option of the green like this. Now after tapping on the green, we can see that our screen has a green screen video and our normal video is converted to a green screen video. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.